Fold-down ironing board storage solutions for small homes let you reclaim floor space by keeping bulky laundry accessories flat against a wall. Choose a recessed wall ironing cabinet when possible, because it tucks entirely into a stud bay and hides the board and iron. Measure between studs and confirm wiring and plumbing are clear before cutting. Then install a mounting frame anchored into studs and shim for a flush finish. If a recessed option is not feasible, a surface-mounted fold-down ironing board combined with shelf space gives dual function. Pick a unit rated for the weight you need, use stainless steel or powder-coated brackets for longevity, and mount into studs at a comfortable ironing height for ergonomic use. Add a fold-away drying rack adjacent to the board for delicates and use folding arms that lock in place so air can circulate without sagging. Install at least 6 inches of clearance from the board when stowed. Use slim wall-mounted lint bag storage to collect lint and small items and position its opening toward a laundry basket to make emptying simple. Choose fabric that breathes and is machine washable. Magnetic iron holders are a compact option for holding an iron safely on a metal plate or bracket when the board is folded up, but ensure the magnet strength is rated for the iron weight and add a secondary mechanical latch for child safety. For mixed needs, combine a fold-down board with a small shelf above it to hold spray bottles and a heat-resistant pad, and route a short coil cord or use a retractable cord reel to prevent dangling cords. Common issues are inadequate stud support that leads to wobble and eventual failure, so always locate studs with a reliable detector, use long lag screws and washers, and add a mounting plate when studs are spaced irregularly. A second problem is insufficient clearance that causes the board or iron to hit nearby doors or cabinets. Measure the full unfolded depth and mark swing arcs on the wall before committing to a location, and consider swapping to a shorter board if needed. Third is poor ventilation for drying racks, which makes clothes smell musty, so space the rack away from damp corners, allow airflow on both sides, and rotate items for even drying. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for installing fold-down ironing boards and associated units, and we connect contractors with work opportunities from people actively renovating. We also host a discussion community where members share installation tips, product recommendations, and real-world measurements so our users can plan projects with confidence.